We are chapter number 1 of OC. Nature and scope of management. So far we have completed 3 topics. One is nature of management. Second one is importance of management. And third one, management as a science. Now today we are going to start a new topic, management as an art. The 3 topics we have already completed: nature of management, importance of management, and management as science. Now new topic is management as an art. Means how and when management is considered as an art. But before that we must know the meaning of art. What is art? Art means implementation of theoretical knowledge into practice is called art. Implementation of theoretical knowledge into practice. It means we have knowledge about various things. For example, we know what is right and what is wrong. We have all types of knowledge, but if we are not implementing knowledge into practice, then there is no use of such knowledge. If we talk about management, means if we talk about business unit, manager has all types of knowledge. They are specialist in their field, means they have knowledge how to increase their own efficiency. Along with this, how to increase the efficiency of employees, how to increase productivity and profitability of business unit, how to maintain harmonious relation among employees, how to motivate employees, how to maintain discipline and coordination, among employees. Means they are expertise in these fields because they are manager, they are qualified, they have specialized knowledge to increase their own efficiency by putting their efforts to increase the efficiency of employees. How? By maintaining harmonious relation, by motivating them, by satisfying them in all respect, by maintaining discipline and coordination among employees, and as a result they know what type of methods, strategies, policies are needed to adopt in order to increase productivity and profitability. But then also they have knowledge, but then also if they are not implementing, their knowledge, their expertise knowledge, their tactics in real practice, in order to do all these things for the betterment of company, for the betterment of business unit, for the betterment of employees, then there is no use of such knowledge. Then all knowledge are in vain. Their knowledge is useless. Their knowledge is completely useless. That's why if a manager or departmental heads have expertise knowledge, are knowledgeable, then it is necessary that they will try to utilize their knowledge, their expertise knowledge into real practice in order to increase the efficiency of employees, in order to maintain discipline and coordination among employees, and to adopt policies and strategies time to time. Means whenever situation comes, they are able to handle the situation, they are able to reduce risk and uncertainties at the time of odd situation, negative situation. Then we can say that they are using their knowledge in the right direction. It means it is an art. So whenever manager is implementing their theoretical knowledge into practice for the betterment of business unit, for their own betterment, for the betterment of employees, then we can say that management is an art. We all know that management includes lots of functions like planning, organizing, directing, staffing, controlling, and all these functions needs joint efforts of individuals. So when they are implementing their knowledge, their skill, their experience into real practice, then only business units are able to achieve all these points, all these factors. Thus, after that we can say that management is an art. So this is a short question, short topic, that implementation of theoretical knowledge into practice is called art. First point, one line definition. It may comes for 1 mark question. What is art? Define art. So implementation of theoretical knowledge into practice is called art. Then if manager has knowledge, skill, experience, they have expertise knowledge in a particular field, and then also means they have knowledge in order to increase their own efficiency, increase the efficiency of employees. They are able to maintain harmonious relation through their knowledge, through their experience. They are able to handle negative situations, odd situations. They are able to motivate employees. They are able to maintain discipline and coordination among employees. And then also, if they are not utilizing knowledge in this regard, then their knowledge is useless, or there is no meaning of such knowledge. So if manager has knowledge, if they are expert in their particular field, they must use their knowledge in the right direction for the achievement of objective, for the achievement of business objective. And when they are utilizing their knowledge in order to achieve the objective in a proper manner, then we can say that management is an art. So management as an art is completed. Now next topic is how management is considered as a profession. Third topic, an important topic. Management as a profession means here in this topic we have to explain about profession and what are the characteristics of profession, and along with that we have to explain that how management is considered, or why management is considered as a profession. What is the reason that we are considering nowadays management also as a profession? What is the reason? So first of all, meaning of profession. Meaning of profession we have already done in standard 11th. Profession is an economic activity. Where specialized knowledge is needed. Specialized knowledge is required, and such knowledge can be used only after getting training and certificate or license or degree, any one word you can use. So it is an economic activity, because here main motive is to earn money, that's why it is an economic activity. And when we are using word profession, it means that individual must have a specialized knowledge in a particular field, and this knowledge he or she can use only after getting training and certificate. Then only they can bring their knowledge into action. This is called a profession. This meaning we have already done in 11th standard also. Now through this definition, what type of characteristics or nature we are observing about profession? Characteristics. An example of profession like doctors, lawyers, CA, chartered accountant, etc. These are the examples of profession. They have a specialized knowledge in their particular field, and these individuals can use their specialized knowledge only after getting training and certificate. Now characteristics are, first one is requirement of specialized knowledge, second one is increase in knowledge and research, third one is professional association, fourth one is code of conduct, and fifth one is moral responsibility. So these are characteristics or nature or features of profession. First, requirement of specialized knowledge, increase in knowledge and research. Third one is professional association. Fourth one is code of conduct, and fifth one is moral responsibility. These are the characteristics of a profession. Now first point, requirement of specialized knowledge. In short, you have to explain all these points. The first one is once again requirement of specialized knowledge. So we have already done in meaning or definition of profession that every individual who are involved in professional activities, must have specialized knowledge of their field. Whatever field they have selected, in whatever field they are professionals, they must have specialized knowledge, they must have skill, qualification according to that field, according to that profession, and they must utilize this specialized knowledge only after getting training and certificate. Means almost meaning you have to explain in this point, that the individual who are professionals, who are involved in professional activities, they must have specialized knowledge and they can use such knowledge only after getting training and license or certificate. Increase in knowledge and research. We all know that in professions, what they are doing? Continuously they are repeating the same activities. For example, lawyer. For example, doctors. Doctors are treating patients continuously. It means when same work is repeated again and again, then it increases their efficiency. It increases their knowledge in that particular field. Beside this, if we talk about research, then professional bodies, means professional associations, are continuously involved in research activities also for the development, for the improvement of that particular profession. For example, right now if we take the example of coronavirus, then various research centers are involved in finding out vaccine. It means continuously they are doing research in order to improve the medical advancement. So whenever research is continuously conducted, if professional bodies are involved in research activities continuously without any stoppage, then it will improve that profession. It will bring improvement in that particular profession. So whenever professionals are continuously utilizing their services, providing their services, involved in professional activities, it will increase their knowledge. Beside this, if professional bodies are involved in research continuously, it will bring improvement in that profession. So professional activities, research activities bringing improvement in professional activities. Third one is professional association. Every profession, whether it is doctors, lawyers, chartered accountants, every profession has their own professional association. For example, for doctors, IMA, Indian Medical Association. Indian Medical Association. It is a professional association. For CA, ICAI. It is a professional association. Means ICAI means Indian Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. Institute of Chartered Accountant of India is a professional association. So Indian Medical Association, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, these are professional association. And why these professional associations are established? It is an independent body, and these associations are formed for the development of professions, of particular profession. For example, IMA means Indian Medical Associations is established in order to bring development, in order to bring improvement in the profession of doctors. That's why every profession has their own association, and these associations are established for the development of that particular profession. Now in these 3 points, means all these points we have to explain that why management is also considered as profession. So in first point, requirement of specialized knowledge. We all know that in profession, specialized knowledge is needed. In the same way, in management also nowadays, in modern time, in management also, manager must have specialized, means specified qualification. They must have skill, they must have specialized knowledge in order to adopt, in order to bring strategies, policies, in order to face negative situation. They must have specialized knowledge in their particular field. In the same way, when they are, second point, increase in knowledge and research. For example, in doctors, in lawyers, they have professional association, and these professional associations are involved themselves continuously for bringing improvement in their particular profession. In the same way, in management also, there is professional association. For example, Indian Institute of Management. And these Indian Institute of Management are working at national and international level, and they are involved in continuous research in order to bring new ideas, new innovations in the field of management. They are trying to bring new types of principles, new type of scientific research, scientific approach, so that productivity and profitability will increase for the business unit, and they are able to adopt all such things for the development of, for the improvement of society. So professional association, now all types of profession has their own professional association, we have already done. Similarly, in the field of management, Indian Institute of Management is also working as a professional association, and they are, this IIM, Indian Institute of Management, is established for the development of management. Now code of conduct, first of all, what is code of conduct? Code of conduct is set of rules and regulation. The set of rules and regulations are called code of conduct. Now every professional association has their own code of conduct, means they are framing their own rules and regulation, and it is compulsory, it is mandatory for all members of that particular association to follow those code of conduct. It is mandatory. Mandatory means here compulsory. Mandatory to follow code of conduct by the respective members. So all professional association, all professional bodies have their own code of conduct, and it is mandatory to follow those code of conduct by the respective members. Last one is moral responsibility. So this is the moral responsibility of all professionals to keep confidential about their clients. Means they should be loyal, they should be honest to their clients. They should not disclose all the relevant information about their clients to third person. It is the moral responsibility of all professionals. So these are all characteristics of profession. Once again, profession is an economic activity where specialized knowledge is needed or required, and they can use such knowledge only after getting training and certificates. For example, doctors, lawyers, chartered accountants, these are the examples of profession. Next, required of specialized knowledge. So far as if we talk about management as a profession, in management field also, for example, doctors needed MBBS degree, then MS degree, MD degree. In the same way, in the field of management, nowadays manager needs BBA or MBA degree. It means they need specialized knowledge. Then increase in knowledge and research. All professional bodies are involved in continuous research, and similarly in the field of management, various professional bodies, like for example, one example I have taken, IIM, Indian Institute of Management, they are involved in continuous research for the development of management, for the development of all types of industrial units. Next, professional association. Every profession has their own association. And these associations are established for the development, for the improvement of that particular profession. For example, in case of doctors, in the field of doctors or in the field of doctors profession, IMA, Indian Medical Association, is established. Similarly, now we have to discuss about management. Similarly, in the field of management, Indian Institute of Management is also established for the development of the profession of management. Fourth point, code of conduct. Every professional association has their own code of conduct, own rules and regulation, and it is compulsory for every member of that association to follow these code of conduct. They cannot go beyond the code of conduct, which is established by their particular professional association. Similarly, now fourth point, similarly in the field of management, whatever code of conduct is established by professional bodies like IIM, managers cannot go beyond that code of conduct. They need to follow, it is compulsory for them to follow all those code of conduct. Moral responsibility. It is the moral responsibility of all professionals to keep confidential matters about their clients. Means they should be honest, they should be loyal to their clients, they should not disclose any important matter about their clients to third party. So these are the characteristics of profession, management as a profession. Now next topic. So here management as a science, management as an art, management as a profession is completed. Now next topic is level of management. Level of management. Now when business is small or when size of business is small, it is possible for owner to handle all activities. It is possible for owner to keep direct supervision, to keep direct control over their employees. It is possible for owner to take all types of decision for their business unit. But as business grows, as business expands, when the size of business units becomes large, becomes more, then it is not possible for top level management to keep direct control over their employees. They are not able to perform all the activities all alone. It means they are not, when workload becomes more, when work burden becomes large, then it is not possible for top level management to focus, to involve themselves in all types of activities. It means they are not able to focus on major activities like what is the main activities of top level management? They are involved themselves in policy making. They are involved in adopting strategies. They are taking major decisions for their entire business unit. But when workload becomes more, when size of business unit becomes large, when business unit expands, then it is not possible for them to focus on all these things if they are involved themselves in all types of activities. And second, beside this, it is not possible for them, when workload increases, it is not possible for them to keep direct control, to keep direct supervision to their employees. That's why what they are doing, they are dividing the whole business unit in different levels, and these different levels are called level of management. So in business unit total there are 3 levels of management. 3 level of management. First one is top level management. Now here one question arises, why there is need of level of management? It may comes for 2 mark question, why there is need of different levels of management. But before that, first of all, 3 levels of management. Top level management, second one is middle level management, and third one is bottom level management. So total there are 3 levels of management. Now why there is need of different levels of management? Short question. So answer is, when size of business unit is small, owner, it is possible for owner to keep direct control, to keep direct supervision over their employees. They are able to perform all the activities of business unit. They are able to take all decisions for the betterment of business unit. But as business grows, as business expands, or when the size of business unit becomes large, means when workload increases, then it is not possible for top level management or owners to take all the decision, to involve themselves in all types of activities. It is not possible for them to keep direct supervision or direct control over their employees. That's why they are dividing the whole business unit in different levels of management, and that's why there is need of different levels of management. And these level of management are top level management, middle level management, and bottom level management. We can understood these 3 different levels through a diagram that is given in your textbook also, like this in triangle shape. This is top level management, middle level management, and then bottom level management. In top level management, who are included? Then board of directors, CEO means chief executive officer, then MD, managing director. These are included in top level management. Top level management is also known as higher level management. Higher level management. 1 mark question. What is the another name of top level management? So higher level management. Now middle level management. Who are included in middle level management? So at middle level management, the business units on the basis of activities, they are divided into different departments, and for each department, departmental heads, or we can say manager of that particular department are appointed. So in simple language, departmental heads. Departmental heads. For example, purchase manager, sales manager, finance manager, cost manager, advertisement officer. These are all departmental heads of their particular department. And another name of middle level management is, here I am writing, officers level management. Officers level management. And last level of management is bottom level management. Who are included in bottom level management? Supervisor, foreman, workers and jobbers. These are included in bottom level management. One line for each. Supervisor, we all know that he is the head of bottom level management. His function is to supervise, to keep control over all the employees, all the workers who are working under them. That is called supervisor. Foreman, whose function is to keep control over the functioning of machineries. That is called foreman. He has to give report about the machineries, whether it is working in better condition or not. That is called foreman. Workers, we all know, who are involved in production of goods. And jobbers, who are a kind of contractor, middleman between the supervisor or between the business unit and workers. They are bringing workers to the site, to the factory whenever work increases. They are called jobbers. They are included in bottom level management. And another name of bottom level management is supervisory level of management. In short, I am writing supervisory level of management or functional level of management. Functional level management or operational level management. Operational level of management. These are different names of bottom level management. So top level management, board of directors, chief executive officer, managing director or general manager, GM. They are included in top level management. The another name of top level management is higher level of management. Next one is middle level management. Middle level management means departmental heads like purchase manager for purchase department, sales manager for sales department, finance manager for finance department. So this is called middle level management. And another name of middle level management is officers level management. Third one is bottom level management, in which supervisor, foreman, workers or jobbers are included. And another name of another name of bottom level management is supervisory level of management, functional level of management or operational level of management, or one more name, workers level of management. Workers level of management. So these are different names. Now what is the difference between, next topic, what is the difference between top level management, middle level management and bottom level management? Then we will discuss about their functions. So next topic is difference between top level management, middle level management and bottom level management. Now first one is top level management, then middle level management and then bottom level management. Now first difference, in top level management management, the proportion of management is more, and proportion of administration means handling all types of activities. So they are not performing various types of activities. Activities means here direct involved in production. They are not involved in direct production. That is called administration. Managing all the activities in order to increase production. That is called administration. So here management is more. Management is more means they are involved in policy making. They are involved in taking major decisions about the business enterprise. That is called management. So here proportion of management is more and proportion of administration is less. In middle level management, at almost equal proportion of management and administration. Or in other words, you can write that in middle level management, proportion of management is less as compared to top level management. Proportion of management is less as compared to top level management, and proportion of administration is more as compared to top level management. Means in simple language, opposite of that you can write that proportion of management is less and proportion of administration is more as compared to top level management. Now in bottom level management, proportion of administration is more and proportion of management is less. This is first difference between top level, middle level and bottom level management. Next one is who are included in top level management, middle level management and bottom level management. So we already know that in top level management BOD means board of directors, CEO means chief executive officer, MD means managing director and GM general manager. They are included in top level management. Whereas in middle level management, different departmental heads means they are officer of their particular department. Departmental heads like purchase manager, sales manager, etc. are included. So in middle level management, various departmental heads like purchase manager for purchase department, sales manager for sales department, finance manager for finance department, cost manager for cost department, they are appointed as departmental head in middle level management. Whereas in bottom level management, once again supervisor, workers, jobbers and foremen are included. So this is the second difference between top level management, middle level management and bottom level management. Third point, alternative name. What is the another name of top level management? So higher level management. Third difference, higher level management. Middle level management is known as officers level of management, whereas bottom level management is known as supervisory, means supervisor level of management or functional level of management. So these three difference almost we know. Now fourth difference is if we talk about number of members in different level of management. So number of members are very less number of members are very less in top level management as compared to middle level management and bottom level management. Number of members are very less means hardly it includes only board of directors, CEO, one CEO or one MD, one or two GM, it depends on size of business. So very few members are included in top level management, whereas in middle level management number of members are large or more as compared to top level management, whereas in bottom level management number of workers or number of members, individuals are more as compared to both top level management and middle level management. This is the fourth difference. Fifth is about accountability. Accountability means whatever they are doing, whatever activities they are performing, to whom they are answerable, to whom they have to give answer, that is called accountability. So top level management is accountable to, they are accountable to means answerable to various or different stakeholders. Who are stakeholders? All those individuals or institution or group of individuals who are attached with business unit for economic returns or for economic benefits. For example, this is one of the business unit and various stakeholders are attached with this business units. For example, government needs tax from these business units, means they are attached for economic returns, they are stakeholders. For example, bank from means the institution from whom this business unit has taken loan, so they need interest from this business unit, so they are stakeholders. Creditors, or we can say suppliers who are selling goods on credit to the business units, they want their money back, so they are stakeholders. For any reason, for any economic benefit, any economic returns, if any individual or institutions are attached with business unit, they are called stakeholders. So top level management, beside this, customers, they are also stakeholders. Investors, those who are investing money in this business unit, investors, customers, government, bank, creditors, they are all stakeholders. So top level management has to give answer about the performance of the whole business unit to these stakeholders. So they are accountable to different stakeholders like government, bank, creditors, etc. Similarly, middle level management is accountable to, they are accountable to top level management. They have to give answer about their performance before top level management. So they are accountable to top level management. And bottom level management, they are accountable to middle level management. They are accountable to middle level management. One more difference, decisions taken by top level management is more risky. Decisions taken by top level management is more risky, because all major decisions, all major policies are framed by top level management, and they are preparing policies, they are taking decisions for the entire business unit. That's why whatever decisions, whatever policies they are introducing in the business, that is more risky as compared to middle level management and bottom level management. And then here in middle level management, decisions taken by middle level management is less risky risky, because whatever decision middle level management is taking, they are taking decisions only for their particular department. For example, purchase manager, whatever decision he is taking, whatever policies planning he is preparing, he is preparing those plans, those decisions only for purchase department, not for the entire business unit. That's why whatever decisions are taking at middle level management is less risky as compared to top level management. In bottom level management, least risky, LEAST, least risky, because they are taking decisions for day-to-day operation. That's why whatever decisions they are taking, that is least risky, means degree of risk is very less at bottom level management as compared to middle level and top level. Then one more point we can write: authority and responsibility. Authority and responsibility. Top level management has 7 point, this is 7 point. Top level management has highest authority and responsibility. Highest authority means they have higher degree of authority and responsibility. Then less authority and responsibility. And they also have less authority and responsibility as compared to top level management and bottom level, middle level management. So these are the differences between top level management, middle level management and bottom level management. In top level management, proportion of management is more and proportion of administration is less, whereas in middle level management, proportion of management is less as compared to top level management, and proportion of administration is more as compared to top level management. Whereas in bottom level management, proportion of administration is high, very large, very more, and proportion of management is less. Top level management includes BOD, CEO and MD, GM, etc. Middle level management includes departmental heads like purchase manager, sales manager, and bottom level management includes supervisor, jobbers, foremen, workers. The another name of top level management is higher level of management, whereas middle level management is known as officers levels of management and bottom level management is known as supervisory level of management or functional level of management. Number of workers are very less in case of top level management. Number of workers or employees are more in middle level management as compared to top level management, and number of workers or employees are very more in bottom level management as compared to top level and middle level management. Then accountable, they are answerable to various or different stakeholders like government, customers, bankers, etc. They are accountable to top level management and they are accountable to middle level management. Then so far as risk is concerned, risk means here taking decisions. So decisions taken by top level management is more risky. Reason, they are taking decisions for the entire business unit, for the betterment of business unit. That's why their decisions are more risky. Here less risky and least risky. Now so far as authority and responsibility is concerned, they have the supreme authority, highest degree of authority and responsibility. They have less authority, less responsibility as compared to top level management, and they have least authority and responsibility as compared to top level management and bottom level, middle level management. So these are the difference between top level, middle level and bottom level management. In next class we will discuss about their functions.